Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. It's your number one gear that is giving you guys a lot of amazing trending fashion styles and hairstyles. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you this amazing 2025 stylish and lovely hairstyles for our bride in the house. If you are a lady that is planning on her wedding or traditional marriage, guys, this video is for you. We will see a lot of amazing hairstyles for our traditional marriage, for our white wedding, and not only for wedding. You can also rock this hairstyle for that occasion that you want to attend to, or you can just rock it as our beautiful guests in the house. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end, because we have different type of hairstyles on this video, different amazing beautiful hairstyles for you. I think hairstyle we've run for you that you will love to install this season. It will make you look so amazing, so beautiful and elegant as a lady. Please always look good for yourself, not for anybody but for yourself. It will make you look so amazing, feel the confidence in yourself. So if today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to my corner. In here I share a very outstanding fashion styles and hairstyle and many more. Don't forget to like this video, comment. That is the only way to support us, guys. Comment, like, share this video to all social medias, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You will be the first person to get notified and watch the video, guys. Enjoy watching this. Bye.